Controlling messages notifications in your iPhone 16's notification center helps you manage which alerts appear, keeping your notification area organized and focused on what matters most. Here's how it's done. To get started, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Scroll to locate messages from the list of apps, then tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Messages app settings, find and tap on Notifications. Navigate to the Alert section, then find the Notification Center icon. Now check the button to show messages alerts or uncheck it to hide messages alerts in the Notification Center. This iPhone feature gives you control over which apps appear in your Notification Center, helping you maintain a clutter-free notification experience. Note that this setting only affects messages notifications in the Notification Center and won't impact other notification settings for the Messages app. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.